Hello, how to make watch list of stocks for swing trading. We are going to use the maximum monthly chart to analyze upward large cap stocks and just to make sure that the price currently is above any previous year highs. The dotted line, vertical line, is just showing you the year delimitation, and we are using maximum monthly chart. The year is on the axis and the price is on the Y. So the shaded price just tells you where the price is, whether the market closed low that day for that stocks or high will be red when it's low and green when it's the price went up that day for that stock. But we just want to compare that price to the previous mountain peak. When I say previous, I'm talking about previous years. It's easy to locate them by looking at the dotted lines. 2024 is the last bracket here between the dotted line and the Y. And since we are December, we are pretty much at the end of the year. So we just want to see any previous highs, easy to locate. That is, if it's above the price, the current price, we are now going to select that stock. And we already have a long list of those stocks that are good to swing trade, but we want to narrow it down to a smaller list, and we are going to filter it twice. But the first filter is maximum monthly chart to make sure the price is above prior year highs. So in this video, we'll start with a flat. The price is here, prior year mountain are below it. And do you see this, for instance? I like it. Even 2020 is not above. It's not above, the following year. Like, I don't know which one was there before, but this is a keeper. But let me just copy the previous one and add back there so that you can see what I'm talking about. Do you see the price is above previous highs? However, the year that followed those peak, the price went down. Do you see the price here is below those peaks? So yeah, and when I did this same exercise a year ago, I didn't add them to my watch list because of that. The price at the end of 2023 was below those peaks. They didn't make the car, but the price at the end of 2024 is higher than those peaks, so they made the car this time. But I could easily discredit them if I wanted to, for the simple fact that it went low some years after those peaks. It will be enough for me to not add them to it, but I'm going to leave them in it for now. But this is a good example of what we are looking for. But we still have a few instances, but pretty much you notice that the peak are now prior year peak are below. I don't know how to explain it. Like, over the years, the peak are higher and higher. Does that make sense? Yeah, something like that. But anyway, we are comparing the current price to the previous mountain peaks. If the price is higher, we keep it. So the next one is it Gillette? Let me see Gillette. Why I'm not seeing the name? Okay, but okay, the price is here. It crossed multiple, flooded with those tip here, but cross this one is out. No, it's not Gillette, it's Global Life. This is out. So the one that we do not want, we'll delete. The one we want, we can color them blue. Okay. So this one, the price is there. That's the shaded price is above prior year peaks, is a keeper. And that's a neat looking chart too. Okay, so this one we already analyzed it. Do we? TRV? No, I think I didn't analyze it because I hear it. I think it might be one that one of my daughter is reading. So the price is above prior year peak, so we keep it. So this one, it seems to me that we have it already analyze it. Easiest way to do that is just go back to our current watch list in the M. Okay, it's not here. MKL. So the price is there above prior year peak, the keeper. It does have quite a bit of swings though, something to consider. So this one we analyze it. So we analyze those two. Let's take them out of here already so that we do not repeat them. ABT, Abbott. It is a company that I like. However, I cannot swing through it. So the price is here above prior year peak. So no. Sorry, Abbott. I believe this one we analyzed it already. Let's see, all the way to there. We analyzed those already, so we take them out. Let's take this one. So the price is here, is crossing prior year peak, is out. Let's make this blue. And this is out. So this one, the price is here above. No, it's not above, it's below prior year peaks, is out. I don't know if I'm saying above or below for what I should say below or above, but anyway, you get the point. We want the price, current price, to be above prior year mountain peak. Gabrielle, you cannot make that noise with that tool. It's very, very loud. So this one, the price is here below prior year peaks, is out. Let's take it out. The next one is CNC. The price is here well below those. Seems to me that this will be, I don't know, it still shows some oblique line to it, but sorry, it's out. MOH. The price is here below prior year peaks, is out. And Lily, Don't know why I like to call it Lily. Oh, okay, Lily is in the name too. For some reason I like to call it Lily, but those to say L.L.Y, just too many. Lily is simple, but we analyzed it already, so we can take it out of there. This one, we analyzed it already. It's not our watch list, so we take it out. So J&J is a company I like as well. Okay, J&J, the price is below prior year peaks, is out. Again, it does not mean you cannot trade those companies. You can, but again, we are looking for similar one that the price is well above prior year highs. Does that make sense? But those are stable companies that have been around for a while and will be around. Look at how much it was trading before, $2, 2 cents, and now. So there is uptrend there. Knowing that you can do those swings, if you want to trade it, that's great. Do you see the line that we trace here? If I want to purchase this, it will be a long-term thing, in the sense that I will buy it on that line, sell it at some point, and wait it again to buy it at that line. Does that make sense? So if you know in advance the tendency of it, that it can go low and the price will be below other highs, you might just simply target that trend line and just trade it on that line. So if that means you buy it and hold it for 2 years or so, 3 years, whatever gives you that high, and you know when to get out of it before it start going back down. So it's not a bad stocks to trade or anything. It's just that we are still a beginner swing trader, that we do not want to force around those stocks that are found a little bit challenging. They will test our boundaries, and I don't think we are strong enough to trade them successfully. We can buy at the wrong time and just make an investment out of it. It's going to be positive and we will sell it, just a matter of time and how patient you are. So, but again, this one here is above prior year peak, but we do have those lines. Okay, it crossed a little bit here, so it's out. That's kind of weird, but that discredited quite a bit. Only one bar. Don't even know what happened there, but do you see? It can do that kind of line there that can tip it over, but hey, it's doing the line, so the line get it out of our list. So again, if you have 100 stocks to go through and you know you cannot analyze 100 stocks on a daily basis, yeah, I mean, you can use those filters to narrow them down. It's not that they are bad stocks or not. You just want to narrow down the list to a manageable one to work with, your version of the best that you want to trade. So this list, the price is here, is crossing this, so this one is out. So this one, the price is above prior year high, so we'll keep it. It does swing though. Okay, so let's do this one. The price is here, below high is here, prior year high, so it's out. This one, we analyzed it already, so we'll take it out of there. Let's see what this one has. Ooh, nice. So the current price is above prior year highs, so a keeper. That is a neat one. Notice it, right? I mean, those highs here, I'll beat this year though, but anyway. The thing is, when you are analyzing those, after a while, because you will come across multiple charts, you will use some of them to judge the others. Does that make sense? So it can happen. When you find some good ones, it will allow you to use that to criticize the others. But when you start, you might be too harsh or too flexible. But then after seeing some charts for a while, you'll have a feel of what you like that you will use based on that to judge the others that you're analyzing. So it's okay if you have time to batch analyze those charts when you are filtering it, because your judgment is going to be affected by the chart you already analyze moving forward. I'm not sure if I'm explaining it well, but so this one, the price is somewhere here about prior year high, so we will keep it. Don't know how I feel about those bars, but it is a keeper. So I think we are going to end it here and start another video again to continue the list, so that we can make a short video easy to watch. Thank you.